My name is Dr. Matthew Leahy. I'm a licensed psychologist and the director of group programming here at Momentous Institute, and I've been supervising on our training team since 2013. So let's talk about clinical groups at Momentous Institute. When interns arrive at Momentous, you spend one full semester in group with us, so they're very important. Our groups at Momentous cross the developmental spectrum. We have our launch program, which is for kids 3 to 6. We have Forward Thinkers, which is for kids 7 to 11, and then Huddle Up is 11 to 15. When you arrive at Momentous, you'll get a flavor of each of the groups and then work with your supervisor to determine which group is best for you. Our groups are grounded in experiential therapy, ACT therapy, relational frame therapy, and also family and systemic therapy. You can also form your own group, and you can work with a staff member or your supervisor to come up with an idea and see what works. Let's talk about nature-based services at Momentous Institute, because our nature work has become very important to us. Momentous Institute actually owns a camp property about 2 hours east of Dallas. It's called our Piney Woods campus. Momentous Institute utilizes our Piney Woods campus throughout the year, and interns will have numerous opportunities to engage in these experiences. Our Camp Momentous program for kids already in services with us utilizes camp numerous times throughout the year, and our Huddle Up group program does as well. These programs are designed to get kids out of the city and into nature, away from technology, and focused on becoming one with nature.